students, this video is kind of fun because we're jumping into basic circuitry. You need to know that you have to successfully complete each of the circuitry levels before moving on, because there's a lot of craft involved to making the circuits work. So here's how this works. The one that we're going to be doing is a switch that you can turn on and off. See that? Okay, so we're going to tilt you down and I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so here is what you're going to be making your switch out of. You're going to start by giving yourself a dot. Then you're going to find yourself the light, which will be inside our circuitry bin. And then inside this light, you're going to open it up and you're going to find your light, okay? And then you're going to be careful to close the bin back down. You are then going to find one of these containers that has a battery. Now this is super important to realize. This battery is dangerous. It will never go home with you. It would never ever go in your mouth. And then Miss Russ will never let you use the circuits if the battery doesn't end up back in this container. When you make your actual artwork, Miss Russ will give you a battery to put your artwork on display, but only when she sees that it's totally taped in and secure. This one is just for practice so you can see how things go. Then you need to realize that the battery has a positive and a negative. So does the light. So if I put the light on like this, right, it works because I have positive to positive and negative to negative. But if I switch it over like this, see, it doesn't work. So you can tell which is the positive because look, the positive one is longer. The positive side on the battery is shiny and flat and it has a little plus sign. You then are going to take your battery and you're going to poke it through, or not your battery, Miss Russ, this is your LED light. You're going to poke it through. See, I poked it through my paper and it comes out on the other side. I'm then going to spread these two little wires apart. Now I'm almost done, but the most important part is to come. I'm going to get out our copper tape. Now this tape is not like normal tape in the art room. This tape's really expensive. So we kind of like a dot, dot, dot is a lot, lot, lot. We're going to do a little, 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 makes it light, light, light. Ooh, I need to find another song. That's not a very good one. I'm going to put a little tape underneath. A little, little, little makes it light, light, light. Actually, I'm kind of growing. It's growing on me. Okay, I put a little underneath. Now I got to go to the other side and I've got to do the same thing. A little, little, little makes it light, light, light. It's really not about how much tape you use. It's about making sure your tape is really stuck. So I get that tape underneath. Okay, now once I have the tape underneath, I have to put it on top. So take it like this and I'm going to put it on top. A little, little, little makes it light, light, light. But I'm going to make the positive side longer because remember that wire was longer. So now I'm going to take even less because a little, little, little makes it light, light, light. And I'm going to squeeze it down. And I'm going to make sure that both of these are squeezed down. Then I'm going to take these and I'm going to fold them back. Now notice, very important. Do you see how in the center those don't touch? That's very important. Then I'm going to take my battery. And look, I'm going to put it right, you can kind of see I'm putting it right inside there. And then look, ta-da! Now, when I let go, it won't do it. So if I taped that battery in there, it would work. And then these little flaps can get turned down like that. And these can get taped or glued to your art. And once you have a circuit that works like this, you can show Miss Russ and she'll get your very own battery that we carefully tape in here so that no little kiddos would get access to this battery. Happy art making. Bye.